There are a couple of leaks we have regarding the S23 Ultra, but this time around, we get some of the exclusive leaks regarding the S23 Ultra along with S23 and S23 Plus. And this is how your new S23 series will look like and what will be its signature color. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per reports from South Korea, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with green as its signature color, and S23 will have pink or gold as its signature color. Now why it's important? Because Samsung will going to use the signature color in promotions of S23 Ultra. Also, as per reports, S23 Ultra and S23 will going to have a similar design just like the S22 series, but we have a slightly different back on the base model S23, which will come with the individual camera array. And Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with a flatter display, much flatter than the S22 Ultra. And with the new display technology, LTPO 3.0, which can go up to 2200 nits peak brightness, 200 more than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this new glass will be protected with new Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which can bear the drop on a harder surface. Let me know in the comments, which color do you want in the Galaxy S23 Ultra? A great news is waiting for you if you want a bigger storage options on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As per confirmed news, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with 256 gigs version as a base model, meaning now you guys will going to get 3 storage options, 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1TB version, no 128 gigs. But if you're looking to get S23 or S23 Plus, then you guys will have 128 gigs version. Also, S23 Ultra will going to come with 2 memory options, 8 gigs and 12 gigs, no 16 gigs available, and you guys will be disappointed to know that S23 and S23 Plus will going to come with only 8 gigs of RAM option. Thanks to new overclock Snapdragon Gen 2, you won't have much issues on the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. Do you guys know the Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with a special feature that we have seen on the iPhone 14 Pro Max this year, but Samsung added additional feature to this feature, the new satellite connectivity feature, which you can send messages, and a special feature now you can send a low resolution picture through this satellite connectivity on S23 Ultra. The only thing which is not confirmed whether it will be available around the world or selected countries, as Apple only gave this feature to US and Canada, but let's hope Samsung will do something about this. Samsung is planning to launch S23 Ultra in the earlier Feb, and as per the latest reports, S23 Ultra will be out on the 1st of Feb 2023, which is 7 days earlier than the S22 launch. If you guys want to see the real first look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.